Hello and welcome back to the Cozy Arts. I am Cherish and today we are solving another Christmas problem. So a few years ago I made some Christmas bags like this. So 2020 I made so many bags for my in-laws, for my sister-in-law, for my mother and father-in-law, and we put all of our presents for them in these bags and drop them off at their house so then we could all Skype together and open our presents. Last Christmas, my in-laws had a little talk with me. They needed more bags because they didn't have enough bags because not all the bags came back, but they also were always in a position where they were, I want that bag back, and guarding to make sure that they get their bag back. So it was a bit of a point of stress for them, which I don't think I can eliminate entirely, but hopefully I can alleviate some of it. Not only that, I don't ever want to make bags for them ever again. So my in-law, they don't watch my videos, but if you are watching this one, for some reason, I'm not making you any more bags. So hang on to those, but hopefully we'll make it easier to do so. This project, for each, I made 2 sets of these bags, one for my sister-in-law and one for my mother and father-in-law. And each set took me about a week's worth of work. So this is like 2 weeks in total, which it's a lot of work for just bags. Bags. But one of the reasons why it was kind of miserable and took forever is I bought so much fabric. I bought too much fabric so I could make too many bags. I bought 4 different patterns, and we'll get into that. 4 different patterns of fabric and 8 yards of each of them. I love buying the whole bolt. I love getting the buy the bolt discount, which 2 of them I didn't, and I'm not sure why. I just love buying the whole dang bolt. So I did. So ouch to my wallet, but also ouch to my back for having to deal with this. After washing and ironing 4 bolts of fabric, I cut them out into rectangular pieces. And you want to make sure that your piece is longer than you want because you're going to lose space at the top and the bottom. Then I use each of the rectangles that I'd already cut out as a template for the corresponding fabric because I want my bags to be reversible. I cut out 2 squares from the bottom of each bag, and that's going to give my bag a better shape. And I make sure to add in my custom tags. We're going to sew down the sides and we're going to sew down the bottom piece, and then we are going to pinch the fabric so that the remaining squares become a line, and we're going to sew both of those lines, and that's going to give us a great bag shape. And then we have to do the same exact thing for its corresponding color. After this marathon of serging comes a marathon of ironing. We're going to fold down the hem and iron it, and the same thing for the inside bag. And you want to make sure that your inside bag has the right side in and your outside bag has the right side out. Then I'm going to add a buttonhole. Now, lucky for me, my sewing machine does buttonholes pretty simply. We added a buttonhole and we cut out the center of the buttonhole. This is going to mean that when we add a ribbon, we can pass from the front to the back so that whatever side is facing out, the ribbon can tie it off. Speaking of the ribbon, I'm going to add a good-sized amount of ribbon because I want it to look a little extra long and beautiful. And with that, the bags are done. The best part about it, I removed my bag with stuffing. The best part about it is it doesn't have to be Christmas. I ordered these please return bag tags that have on the other side, it's got a heart and then everyone's last name. So that way the conversation is started, please return bag, and it gives a little indication of who it's from and a little like, just trying to be nice. Just don't hate me because I want my bag back. I feel like it works really well to solve the problem. You have cute reversible bags with a good shape, and it's got Christmas on one side and generic holiday on the other side. A wide variety of sizes. And then for my mother-in-law and father-in-law, I don't know how much he cares, but really for my mother-in-law, we have this beautiful purple for the generic holiday. And I've got this silver ribbon because it works with both sides. And this beautiful snowflake pattern. So this is a beautiful wintry bag or just a generic celebration bag. And I love them. I really might end up making some for our family too. First gotta take a break because it was a lot of work. Although I will recommend, if you do this project, starting it in summer like I did was difficult because ironing in the summer sucks. Ironing in the summer is sweaty and gross, and ironing 4 bolts worth of fabric is just too much. So make your project small, get your ironing done when it's cold weather outside, and then you'll be good to go. I hope you do make bags because I think that they work really nicely. The tags I just ordered from Etsy and had them custom printed, and even though I made so many bags, I didn't use up all of my tags, so I should have enough tags left over to do some for our family too, which is exciting. All right, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!